Chapter number 9, how to set the speed of a moving floor. Well, we have 3 different elements that influence the speed of a moving floor. Let's start with the pump. The pump of such a moving floor has a certain size and a certain flow rate. And if you want to set the speed of a moving floor, you just can set the flow rate of such a pump. This is the first point. The second point is the cylinder stroke. You have different sizes of cylinders with different strokes, 100 millimeters, 200 and 300 mil. So you choose the stroke that is adapted to your application. In the picture behind me, you see proximity switches that even limit such a stroke. This could be very helpful in certain applications. The last thing that could be helpful for you would be the programmation of the cycle of such a moving floor movement. Normally, you have a discontinuous movement, all slats going forward and the slats going back one after the other in the backward direction. What you see behind me here is that you have just a continuous movement where the slats go forward with little speed, with little arrows, and you have these big arrows moving forward, moving backwards very quickly. And these big arrows mean that the slats go back very quickly. So the slats go forward very slowly and they go back very quickly. And if you combine these 2 effects, you come to a continuous movement of the moving floor. This will also help you to have a faster discharging of all that material that you find in the trailer or in a silo in a stationary application.